I'll make a brand new start of it in old New York.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Today I'm actually going to do a really fun video that I've meant to do for a while, and it's 4 things and each one is under $10, and each one is something that I think every fisherman should own, and I think this is really good because they're all useful. I use them every time I go out fishing, whether I'm just pond hopping or actually going out for like a full weekend of fishing or something like that. So I thought this would be really like informative and might help some of you guys out. The thing is, I always forget at least one of these, so I don't know, maybe I should just set a reminder on my phone or something like that for the next time I go out. But anyways, hopefully this helps you guys out. I think it's pretty informative, and I think it's awesome that each one is under $10. So let's go ahead and get into this. Oh, and really quick, just a like a random side note. I used to do the videos like this, the informative videos in my dorm room. But the lighting sucked in there, and it was just really dark, and it didn't really work. There's a lot of road noise. But the other week I was editing that short film to do some of the the voiceover, and I found this room. It's like a study room in our hall, and it's like, take a look at this. I mean, the lighting in here is great. Sounds like my voice, is really clear, and seems like my voice sounds pretty good. But anyways, guys, that's just a random side note. So I think I'll start doing the videos in here now. And then, when I go out fishing, of course, it'll be a little different, but yeah, informative videos in here. Okay, so the first thing on the list, and this is probably going to be right around the top of the $10, probably in the $8 to $10 range, is a multi-tool. And the reason I put these on here is because you can do all kinds of stuff with this. You got pliers, you got knives on the side, you got scissors, you got a saw. There's all kinds of stuff you can do with a multi-tool. And they're so cheap. You can find these at Walmart for like $8. I think I got this one on sale and it was more like $5. And they last a long time. It's all metal. It comes in a little sleeve. It's a great tool to have with you if you need to cut a line or whatever else you're doing. This is easily like the #1 thing that I always carry with me because I end up using it like the whole time I'm fishing, basically. Next thing I would add to the list is, some people call this a buff or a face shield, whatever you want to call it. Regardless, they work wonders and they're fantastic. You can wear it around your neck, you can kind of pull it over and it's kind of like a hoodie almost. But they're fantastic, you can dunk them in water and cool yourself off. It keeps the sun off the back of your neck and your face. It's just all around something great to have, especially in the summertime. I'm from Southern California and the sun will just beat down on you, and the fishing is practically over by like 2 p.m. because it's so hot out. But this definitely helps, and I would definitely recommend it. You can find these sometimes upwards of like $25, but if you look in the right places, you can get some pretty cool patterns or just regular black, face shield for, I don't know, $10 or so. A lot of times you'll find deals where you buy like 4 at a time for just a couple bucks because it's like a Black Friday sale or something like that. This next one I hope would be a little obvious to people, but I figured I'd put it on here anyways because it's cheap and it's definitely something you should have in your bag. But that would be leader. The leader is kind of imperative if you're, depending on like the lure that you're using or if you're fly fishing. It's just all around something great to use, and it's great to have. And it's so cheap. I think this little ring was just a couple bucks. It might be like $2. There's 100 yards on there, and it's definitely something to keep in your bag. Even if you're not even using leader, you might want to throw it on. You always have that option. Now this last one is something that I really love. It's just one of these tackle trays. These are super cheap too. I think this is in like the $2 to $5 range. But they're great if you're just pond hopping. You can throw it in a backpack and just keep your kind of like most essential baits in here, basically. But these are fantastic. And actually, sometimes if you buy like a new tackle box or a new tackle bag, they'll give you free one, like maybe 2 free ones or something like that. And they're just all around great to have. I know like me and my brother and my dad just kind of trade trays, like just kind of give them to each other if someone needs them, just because they're so cheap, and we just have tons of them now. But They're just great to have. You know, you can separate your baits really easily, and they're easy to travel with because they're, you know, pretty thin and pretty small. But anyways, guys, I hope you kind of like this video. This is kind of something new, a new setting too. I like this background, this whole room. So let me know if you guys like it. I think it works a little better for videos, but we'll try it out. I think the lighting's a little better in here too. But thanks for watching this episode. I'll be uploading a little more frequently now. Please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And I'll see you in the next episode.